In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable parental controls on your Amazon Fire TV stick so you can restrict purchases, apps, and certain content. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by scrolling all the way over to the settings gear all the way in the far right, and then from here just scroll down, and what you're looking for is going to be this preferences tab right here. Select this, and up at the very top of your preferences you're going to see parental controls. Go ahead and select it to open it up, and then from here what you're going to want to do is turn your parental controls on. You could do this just by ticking this on just like so. It's going to ask you to either enter in a video pin or create a pin, so I'm going to enter in a pin real quick. And whenever your pin is set, it's going to be required for purchases, app launches, and restricted content. But after enabling it, you will see different options that you can adjust, such as purchases. You can make it require that pin for buying or downloading content. You can change the viewing restrictions by setting age limits for TV shows and movies. You can also do the pin protect app launches, which is going to require a pin before opening certain apps. And then, of course, you could also do Amazon photo protections, which will lock access to your photos with a pin. Now, you could also change this pin anytime from this menu. In my case, I'm going to disable it. And if you ever want to disable it, just come back to this exact same section, enter in that pin, and you're good to go. It'll turn off. But that is it. That is how you can enable parental controls here on his Amazon Fire TV stick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.